Hi, you're watching this because you've already completed this Google form. If you haven't, please pause and go back and finish that. Okay, well done. This week in for number, we're looking at whole numbers and whether they're prime, composite, or neither. And some of you may have already discovered that there might be numbers that don't fit a prime or a composite. Yesterday, we started looking at prime numbers, and when we were doing it, I realized that we still need to do some work with prime numbers. Some of you are already all over it, and some of you still need some work, and that's fine. That's why I'm teaching you it. So if at the end of this week you can explain whether a whole number is prime, composite, or neither, I've done my job. So we're going to work on that today. So what is a factor? We need factors when we're talking about prime and composite number. A factor is a number that when multiplied with another number, it produces a given number. So 2 and 3 together make 6. So 2 and 3 are the factors, and the given number is 6. Yesterday we looked at prime numbers. A prime number is a whole number that cannot be made by multiplying with other numbers. So I can only multiply to get to a prime number with 11 and 1. I can't make 11 with any other numbers. And the other way you know about prime numbers is whether you can divide it or not. If you can't divide it evenly, it's not a prime number. But if you can divide it evenly, that means it is a composite number. So a composite number is a whole number that can be made by multiplying two other numbers. So 2 and 3, if I multiply those, I get 6. So 6 is a composite number. These are some examples of prime. So you can see 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11 are all prime numbers, and you can see the composite. And we know we can split 4 and 6 and 8. We can divide 9 into 3 groups of 3, and we can do that with 10 as well. Okay. Made myself a little bit too big there. Here is something I want you to see. I'm going to pause in a moment, and I want you to follow this link to add your ideas. So what do you see here? Okay,